Today, a number of operators around the world are not just growing, but growing by double digits. Operators driven by bold, visionary, and explorative mobile broadband strategies that turn data growth into revenue growth. These operators come from different starting points, but are unified by their approach, a different mindset, not just about mobile broadband, but about their roles as operators. So let's get inspired by these frontrunners. By analyzing them, we found that they differentiate by balancing superior network performance and an innovative go-to-market strategy. However, there is not one recipe for success, but 6 behaviors that create new demand and drive profitable growth. We call them growth codes. First off, gap minding. Frontrunners bet their CapEx on large gaps of quality, experience, and value rather than small gaps of price to stay out of price wars and inspire new demand. Number 2 is streetwise metrics. Measure and manage end-user experiences by creating feedback loops between the actual experience and the network performance. And number 3, showcasing. Frontrunners don't just invest in superior quality, they put their brand on the line to prove it by creatively illustrating and comparing performance in ways that people can relate to. Number 4, unboxing. It's pretty clear now, one size doesn't fit all. As applications, devices, and behaviors keep diversifying, so does the need for tailored offerings and the systems and processes to support them. Growth code number 5 is ecosystematic. Turn your business into an open platform for value creation by collaborating with third-party brands to create new experiences, offerings, and segments. And finally, number 6, co-partnering. Develop long-term relationships based on trust and shared vision with strategic vendors. Collaborate by sharing insights, success incentives, and future roadmaps. At Ericsson, we have the global insights and capabilities to help you get to the front. Let's explore and crack your codes.
Unplug. Let's rethink mobile broadband.